When writing or speaking in English, there are several types of complements that can add meaning to a sentence. We often use subject complements and object complements. There's also something that is called a verb complement. That is what we will discuss in this video. Welcome to Writing better sentences, paragraphs, and essays. A verb complement is a word or a group of words that is added to a sentence and completes the meaning of the sentence. A verb complement can be a noun phrase, or a pronoun. It can also be an infinitive, or a gerund, or a noun clause. All of these can be used as a verb complement, which completes the meaning of the sentence. If I said, I want, you would want to know what I want. This is not a complete sentence. But I could finish this sentence like this. I want money. Or I want more money. Or I want to sleep. Or if I said, I like, you would not know what I like. I need to add a verb complement. I like pizza. Or I like skiing in the winter. These are all different ways that I could finish this sentence. So let's talk some more about verb complements. A verb complement is always used with an action verb. Let's look at this example. I caught. Here we have a subject and a verb, but this by itself is an incomplete sentence. We cannot say I caught without adding what we caught. I caught a cold. I caught the train, etc. There are two types of verb complements. The first is as in this sentence. I caught the ball. We have an action verb, caught, and a direct object, the ball. I caught what? I caught the ball. Here's an example of the second type. He gave her a ring. We have an action verb that has a direct object, but there's an indirect object in the middle. He gave what? A ring. To whom? Her. So a verb complement can be a direct object or an indirect object. Let's look at some examples of a verb complement when we use a noun phrase, or a pronoun. I don't have time. I don't have what? I don't have time. Time is a noun. They built a very large building. They built what? A very large building. This is a noun phrase. He had never seen her. He'd never seen what? Or in this case, who? He had never seen her. Here are some example sentences with infinitives as verb complements. I asked him to stay. He wanted to cook. They helped him to win. To stay, to cook, to win are all infinitives and are the direct objects or verb complements that complete each of these sentences. We can also have sentences like this. The company decided to produce additional products. Now let's look at some examples using gerunds. She enjoyed baking the cookies. He hates waiting for the bus in the rain. They decided having the meeting was not necessary. Baking, waiting, having are all used as gerunds in these sentences and help to complete the meaning of the sentence. And finally, let's look at some examples of noun clauses used as verb complements. She said that she can come for a visit. We hope that sales will improve next month. He didn't know that the money was missing. I would like to take a moment to explain the difference between a verb complement and a subject complement. A verb complement comes after an action verb, and the sentence will have a subject, an action verb, and an object. For example, he ate the cake. On the other hand, a subject complement comes after a linking verb. The sentence structure here is a subject and a linking verb followed by a noun or an adjective. For example, he is a doctor, or he seems angry. I think you can see there is a difference between the two types of complements. I hope you now understand how we use verb complements to complete the meaning of sentences. I have another video about subject complements and object complements that you might want to check out, as well as some printable workbooks that you might find helpful. The link is in the description below. Happy writing!